If you don't like your dog rolling in mud but still let him run wild, then imagine this. Your dog on a wild romp through the underworld. Picture this. Fido's chasing a fireball instead of a tennis ball. The ground's a little toasty, but hey, he's got 4 paws, built-in heat protection. Everywhere he looks, there are devilish squirrels taunting him from lava rocks, and instead of mailmen, it's flaming skeletons on mopeds. But don't worry, there's still an endless buffet of treats, made of spicy hot dogs, of course. And you know what? Even in hell, he's still a good boy. So next time your pup acts like a little devil, just remember, he'd totally own doggy hell, tail wagging all the way.